This is a very special day for me, not just because we are here to release perhaps the most cool, fun, happy song of Dilwale, but my friendship with the PVR family, Ajay, Sanjeev, everyone. There's so many of them in Delhi. We've grown up together. I have a little incident. We were more than now attached through films and the exhibition, and thankfully this time they're even distributing Dilwale. So thank you very much. But more than the change they've brought in. How movies are watched, the experience of film watching. We make films, we make good ones, we make bad ones. But the one thing that should always remain at two ends, that the film should be produced beautifully, and then, because that's in control, and the last is it should be exhibited, so that the final end user, the retailer, the audience, the people that we believe in and make the cinema for, they have the best experience possible. And not because of my years-long friendship with Ajay and PVR, I really feel the best experience perhaps in the world is provided by PVR Cinemas to all the audiences. So thank you very much.
इस गाने को देख के मन में क्या एक्चुअली आई हैव सीन दिस सॉन्ग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ इन द 7:30 मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट एंड जेन्युइनली मैं थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था क्योंकि एक तो वो डॉल्बी का इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला कैन वी लिव अप टू दिस. So the hype was so much, and then when I saw the song and heard it with the atmosphere and everything, I was quite happy. And this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza. So that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, man mein emotional jaagne wala cheez.
About the song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it, and I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him, "Beach mein main bahut khush hu." But the locations, everything around, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color, and Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. And I think हम दोनों भी अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं.
I think हम खुश होके क्या करेंगे? The audience has to react to this.
आपके मन में emotion जागना चाहिए, जागा या नहीं? That's what I want to know.
I'll tell you two things that happened, and don't kill me for this. So the shot was that I jumped from this truck. I can stand on these. Okay, sorry. So I jumped from a truck, and I come here, na, Kriti. Just jump. No, I won't jump on you. Stand over. So I had to jump from the truck.
And 1 second, the truck was much higher, right?
Exactly, the truck was much higher, so I looked much taller than Kriti. तो जब मैं ट्रक पे था तो मैं बोल रहा था.
और वो ट्रक पे क्या लिखा था?
जो भी लिखा था, क्या लिखा था?
Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter. ठीक है, वो मैंने लिखा था. But when I was in truck, I was feeling, "Aisha, क्या रे?" I was very happy. I was feeling big. ट्रक पे हूँ मैं, पहली बार एंट्री हो रही है. ट्रक से कट टू जंप एंड वी रीच डाउन. तब ऐसे हो गया.
And he usually stands like this only, so it's very weird.
I have a wide stance to stand like that. तो तब मैंने बोला ये क्या हो गया?
और फिर तब
तो रेमो सर ने बोला कि बड़ा डांस. He said बड़ा डांस करो. We can't have you squatting too much and all that stuff. But overall, I think the truck is Rohit sir's idea that to truck से entry करना. गाड़ी वाड़ी बहुत हो गई अभी. तो I think I was a little scared that I don't get hurt. But then during a photo shoot, जब Kriti jumped, she did fall. So I think she should answer.
Yeah, because I don't do it usually. He's very used to
I'm
doing
not
action
jumping from
and stuff.
trucks every day.
But you're used to doing action. I've never
is
done
my first Rohit
But he
Shetty
actually
film.
taught me how to fall and how to
Fall?
Yeah, in the sense how to you need to squat a little and all.
I think people still prefer to watch the films on the big screen. I mean, as I said, the kind of format and the way the filmmaking is happening just now, it can only be enjoyed on the big screen. So we do find if the marketing and everything is good of the film and the buzz is there, the first weekend is very good anyway. And then if the movie is good and people are not disappointed, then it does last at least 2 to 3 weekends, could be 4 weekends. So movie people we can't at the same time also interfere with what the consumer, how he wants to watch his film. But there are enough people, as I said, 3 billion tickets get sold in India. That means 300 billion visitations happen to a cinema. We're getting about, I think, 80 million people will come to PVR cinemas. So I think there's still a lot of appetite for people to go out and entertain themselves. And it's the purest form of out of home entertainment.
My favorite car is actually that monster truck. क्योंकि I told Rohit sir, I said आपकी हर फिल्म में तो हीरो के पास गाड़ी होती है और वो स्किट कर रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, पर ये ट्रक किसी के पास नहीं है.
और अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये गाने के लिए ही मिली है बस.
और ये ट्रक, I said I'll be the only like hero, I think in history of Indian cinema to enter on a monster truck.